Police under probe for shooting nephew. 876 report. We keep you in the know. Member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force JCF is now under investigation after he reportedly shot and injured his 25-year-old nephew in the corporate area last Saturday. The sister of the injured man said that her uncle accused his nephew of splashing bleach on the clothes he had on the line. She said that the cop, in a fit of rage, pulled his weapon and shot the youngster. My uncle came in the yard and go round to the back where he hung up a suit on the line. Him said somebody threw a bleach on it, so him start to cuss and say my brother threw bleach on him clothes, she related. Him go over to my little brother and start to argue, then bounce on him, and my little brother chuck him back. Before we know it, him back out him gun and shoot my little brother in his hand. That never pleased him, so him go in his room and give him another shot in his back. Both the Independent Commission of Investigations INDICOM and the JCF's Inspectorate and Professional Standards Bureau have commenced probes. At the same time, Daniela Anderson, Senior Public Relations Officer at INDICOM, said that the policeman has submitted a statement to INDICOM and would be interviewed and witness statements are to be collected. The altercation allegedly arose from a domestic dispute and the concerned officer, who was off duty at the time of the incident, used his personal firearm, Anderson said. A St. Catherine man who was employed at a call center in Montego Bay, St. James, and another man were shot and killed by heavily armed gunmen in St. James on Thursday. The incident took place along Claude Clark Avenue. Both victims, 34-year-old Kemar Hastead of Hugar Lane in Norwood, St. James, and 35-year-old Michael Anthony Hill of Harbour in St. Catherine, but was staying at a location in Retirement District in St. James. Both had just left the examination depot in Flankers when they were shot. Hill would have celebrated his birthday this Friday. Reports by the police are that Hill and Hastead had just conducted business and were traveling in a Toyota Corolla motor car on their way to downtown Montego Bay when a motor vehicle with several men on board blocked their path. The men, armed with high-powered weapons, alighted from their vehicle and opened fire on Hill and Hastead, who were killed on the spot. The gunmen then escaped in the waiting motor car. Investigators recovered more than 60 spent shells from the scene. Thank you for listening, 876 Report. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe for further news.